Hello, I'm Margaret Worthington, Director of the Fruit Breeding Program at the University of Arkansas System Division of Agriculture. Today we're here in Clarksville, Arkansas at the Fruit Research Station, and I'd like to introduce you to Altus, our first muscadine release for processing. The name comes from the Altus wine region of Arkansas, which was settled by Swiss-German immigrants in the late 1800s. It's the largest wine-producing region in our state, and Altus muscadine has been trialed there with great success. Altus was developed as a complement or replacement for Noble, the dominant black-fruited muscadine used for making red muscadine wine. But Altus isn't only great for wine, it also works beautifully for juices, jellies, and other products. And because it's a larger fruit, it also has potential for dual purpose for fresh market. The fruit is 5 to 7 grams in size, much larger than Noble. And it has that kind of characteristic thick muscadine skin, making it a great option for those who want to squeeze out that juicy, flavorful pulp and discard the skins. Altus also has a much drier, cleaner stem scar than Noble, which is very important for post-harvest handling. The flavor is outstanding, floral and aromatic, and it has a unique anthocyanin profile that gives the juice this brilliant hot pink to purple color. Personally, I love the juice. It has a bright floral taste and my kids can't get enough of it. Altus is also a really grower-friendly vine. It's vigorous, productive, and cold hardy. This is thanks in part to Carlos, one of its parents, which is a very popular bronze processing cultivar that is known for its cold hardiness and vigor. Clusters ripen uniformly, making harvest a lot easier, and the vine is perfect flowered, so it's self-fertile and no pollinizer is needed. In summary, Altus is a vigorous, cold hardy muscadine that has larger berries, striking aromatics, a great aroma, and wonderful processing quality.
I'm Dr. Renee Threlfall. I'm an associate professor at the Food Science Department at the University of Arkansas System Division of Agriculture. I've had the privilege of working with the U of A System Fruit Breeding Program over the past decades to evaluate post-harvest, storage, and processing of fruits from their program. I'm excited to introduce Altus, one of the first muscadine cultivars from the U of A System Fruit Breeding Program. Altus can be used for juice and wine production as well as for a fresh market crop. The Altus berries have unique fruity and floral flavors that are present in the juice and wine produced from the fruit. We have worked with Altus to evaluate juice and wine production using different winemaking and juice making techniques. The color from the juice and wine is pink to purple depending on how it's processed to extract color from the skins of the grapes. We have conducted chemical and consumer sensory analysis of juice and wine from Altus and found that the color and flavor exceeds or compares very well to Noble. Altus will complement other grape cultivars that can be grown in Arkansas and regions with similar growing conditions. Altus will be a valuable new option and a delicious way for more people to enjoy muscadines.